Dancehall, dancehall, dancehall. People, as long as it is a verb, leave it up to us Jamaicans within the dancehall to turn it into a dance move. Now the dance me I talk about are the new dance in a dancehall. The dance hot like piss, literal. Because people, the dance name, walk like a dog and cock up and piss. That's the name of the dance. Why the hell is the name of that dance so goddamn long? Walk like a dog and cock up and piss. So like a paragraph. This girl sent me the video on my fan page. Big up yourself. Me have to watch the video again.
Well, you don't know that TC represent the TV show called The Selector.
Alright. Watch our neck now. You have to get food and money. What? All over the globe of Jamaica. Oh shit! What the fuck? I literally hottest dance, you know, cause piss hot. Bro, so scared. TC got some nice tits, man. Let me go in on that video. Wanna get somebody in dance from? You mean to God say all the while we see the dog them I walk around the place and cock up and piss and they do a dance move. Me I go drop a couple new dance. First one, swing like a monkey, walk like a donkey and kick, walk like a cow and buck. Take up a broom and sweep out the house. Go in the kitchen and go learn to cook. Me have a whole heap of dancing and me have a rings dance pounding. Walk like a dog part of the alright, but as for the piss, me don't know how that I go work cause any girl feel like say them a go piss near me or pan me. Let's just put it like this. You choose to dance like a dog, hope you can take a kick like a dog. Piss boy you bumbo. This dance is for all the females who are very territorial. Walk like a dog and cock up and piss. Pan your man so nobody else don't want him. But me want to know about this dance here is if man can do it too. I wonder if they're gonna come with a sequel to the dance here, you know? Walk like a dog and cock up and shit. Who knows, they might even take it a step further and then start do the sniffing and body part when the dogs them do. No sir. Walk like a dog and cock up and sniff. Terran and Pam presents a night called Urinal, the fire hydrant edition, featuring the new dance. Walk like a dog and cock up and piss. Left the chrome and bring your bone. You know, go kill whole heap of uptown parents, you know. Anyhow, some of the uptown parents are catch all in picnic. I walk like a dog and cock up and piss. Straight heart attack and death. I forgot start wear pampers to a party and sit and piss repellent. No who stop go a party now? No girl not piss for me. Me look like fire hydrant too. Me look like land grass. You know said this to that coming up because from them make a dance name Wounded Dog. You should have known say them are gonna make one half a how the dog walk and piss. Me not gonna talk too much shit about the video cause a girl have the loose neck, you know what I mean? She have the newborn baby neck. You know a newborn baby the neck can't stay one place. The neck muscle weak. And neck still like when you try balance a broom on your your fingertip. Loose neck. You know what I talk about? The type of neck where it come like the head too heavy for the neck so the neck I try balance it. Loose neck. And the girl will have loose neck. You know I argue with them. Kill it with the loose neck. Attitude. The next dance them to come up with a loose neck. No, nobody with loose neck trace me out. You mad? I wish you would. All I man them in that party. You see when the girl them started a dance, yeah? This is how you give dance forward. Boy, I can't wait for old, cause when you reach out in your 60s, I remember when you used to do some stupid shit. Boy, my grandson, you wanna know, say your grandmother used to do one dance named Walk Like a Dog and Cock Up and Piss. Jamaicans, man, very creative set of people. Yo, follow me on Twitter at Kevin2Crazy. You know what I mean? Share the video, like the video. Check out the new video when we just dropped too. You know what I mean? Me I gotta put the link in the screen, yeah, so you can check it out and I put it in the description. Easy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Yes, man.